on the desk today, box 2 of 2. Seeing what I can get out of 2022 AEW Metal Universe from Upper Deck.
Tom the Collecto bot.
Alright, here we go. Pack 1 of 15. See what box 2 can get me. So far, I really like the William Regals. It's Wardlow, Samoa Joe. Well, that's cool. I guess I might be going after the merch subset, because I think now this is 4. Hook, Aubrey Edwards, Max Caster, and William Regal. Pack 2. Give me one autograph out of these 2 boxes. Just one. I'm not greedy. There's Evil Uno. There's Hanger. That's cool. Stokely. Planet Metal Nyla. Okay. There's another Hanger. Christian Cage. And Claudio. Pack number 3. Austin Gunn, Christian Cage, Adam Cole Technician card. Okay. There's Preston again. Cash Wheeler, Tony Schiavone, Jamie Hayter. Hope she's back soon. It was kind of a shame she got to miss the Wembley Stadium show. Okay, why is this? Oh, nice Brody King. I can see that on the back. Claudio again. Matt Hardy. Penta. Okay, what's this? Jade Cargill, obviously. Feeling the Love. Okay, sure. There's Ricky Starks. Ortiz. There's Big Bad Brody King. That pack got torn to shreds. There's Nick Jackson, Miro, Jim Ross, William Regal. Gets in on the subsets there. Tony Storm, Roosh, and Malachi. Oh, nice. Daniel Garcia. Mark Henry. Okay. Precious Metals Gem. Mr. Kenny Omega. That's cool. Number 39 of 100. There you go. That's got to be the card of the day, I'm assuming. Penelope Ford. And a few more doubles. Matt, Penta, Jungle Boy. I'm excited about that Kenny Omega card. There's Stinger. Jade Cargill. There's Isaiah. Brother Zay right now. Another Technicians card for Powerhouse Hobbs. Nice. There's Cash Wheeler. I don't think I've seen Dax. Pack and Emi Sakura. That's weird. There's another Omega. Base card Omega. Scorpio Sky. Oh, Sting. Doing the point. Johnny Hungy. Can't believe that got over. Colton Gunn. Chuck Taylor. And MJF. Cassidy, Dr. Britt Baker, Riho. Here's another of those Bonzo Gonzos. Claudio. Okay. There's Anna J. Anthony Ogogo again. And the Butcher. Oh, we got an Athena. That's a new card I haven't seen. Mark Quinn. Nyla Rose. There's Claudio getting in on the action there. Wardlow. Billy Gunn. Serena Deeb. What's up with her? And there's Athena. Coming down towards the end here. I think this is... What have I got left? Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be the... Coming towards the end anyway. Whatever. Okay, Jesus, this is a brutal pack. Open up. Hopefully that means it's good. There's Alex Reynolds. Bryan Danielson, nice. Jungle Boy getting in on the insert action there. Keith Lee, nice. Anthony Bowens. Another Danhausen. And another Keith Lee. Well, for a hard to open pack, at least had a few more that I haven't seen yet, so works out for me. There we go, Dustin Rhodes. There's Powerhouse, nice. There's Andrade. Another Claudio insert. That's cool. Powerhouse. Nyla. And Anna J. And we're down to the last 3. Box 2. Don't know if I'm going to get a box 3. We'll see. Maybe if it drops down in price after a while. Oh yeah, Tony Nese gets a card. Okay. There's another Punk. Paul Turner. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, there you go. There's a Moxley Palladium. Neat looking card there. Very cool. Penta. Looks like he's in his Obscuro outfit. Wheeler Yuta. And Lee Moriarty. Second to last pack. What do we got? Ooh, Penelope Ford. There's Anna J. Darby. Tony Storm. There's Eddie Kingston. That's alright. Nyla Rose. Oh, there's Buddy Matthews. Got all the House of Black now. Penelope Ford. And last pack. Let's see what happens. Another Austin gun. There's Hikaru Shida. Matt Sydal, cool. Bonzo Gonzo. Adam Cole. There's Kyle O'Reilly and Bobby Fish. Jeez, sorry. MJF. Darby. Tony. Cool. An Austin gun, sorry. Alright. Well, that was it for now box 2 of 2. That's clearly hands down got to be the card of the 2 boxes, actually. And I'm pretty sure through 2 boxes, I don't even have a full set. We'll see. So I might be hunting down some singles. But I'm going to take a look at this one, see what I could possibly get for it, to be honest.
Tom the Colecto bought.